Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to understand the benefits of Cleo's credit building tools. Beyond just a card, Cleo offers a suite of credit building tools that are designed to help you grow your financial confidence. Let's explore what these tools offer and how to use them. Step 1. Use the credit builder card regularly. Now you can make small purchases and let Cleo report your activity to the credit bureau. This builds history, payment consistency, and credit utilization. Step 2. Monitor your credit score in real time. Now you can keep tabs on your progress and understand how your actions impact your credit score through Cleo's credit dashboard. Step 3. Get smart personalized credit tips. Based on your financial habit, Cleo can send tips that are tailored to you to improving your credits. These might include keeping utilizations low or limiting inquiries. Step 4. Take advantage of payment automation. With automatic repayment set, you'll never miss a due date. This is a key factor in growing your credit, so you want to make sure that you take advantage of that. Step 5. Track your progress and celebrate milestones. As your score improves, Cleo celebrates your wins and shows the impact of your choices. Cleo's credit building tools aren't just about numbers, they're about progress, control, and long-term financial freedom. Use them consistently and you're going to see real results. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next one.